Alright, there we go. Checking it out. I don't know if you guys can see it. This is a 2018 Mustang. There's this little thing that lifts the seat up. I'm going to put carbon fiber there. Already done this piece over here, carbon fiber. Pretty much the whole inside of the car is carbon fiber. I haven't done the center console. I haven't done that yet. Everything else up here is. Even the mirror, up there is carbon fiber. All back here, all carbon fiber. Yeah, I just, just kind of like to make it look different. Sorry about the music. Yeah, just try to make it look different and, try and be different from everybody else. And actually, going overboard would probably be too much, but this is probably a pretty good taste, and I think this is probably gonna be, it should be it. I even got the little carbon fiber shift knob up there, so pretty cool. Yeah, my friend made a mess, so I gotta clean up. But yeah, I'll put it on, let you see what it looks like. Be right back. All right, it is on. So I don't know. What do you think, guys? Looks. It just snaps on. It's not the 3M on the back. Like, this is actually true carbon fiber stuff I bought. Takes a while. Comes from overseas, so it's I'm gonna do the other side real quick. So be right back again. All right, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna try to make some light. This is got it off eBay. Most of my parts came off of eBay, but all of it's been a really good fit. I even did the taillights back here. Try to show you. I got the carbon fiber mirrors I'm gonna put on, but I did all the triangle squares, all up there on both sides. And then I did this part. Sorry about the music, guys. Again, and I did up there is carbon fiber. Then I did the vents carbon fiber. But all right, let's get this put on. Let you guys see what it looks like here. Try not to hit my car here. All right, that's what it looks like right there. And then this just sticks on. And it's a perfect fit, see? As you guys can see. Honestly, the stuff off of eBay really isn't bad. I mean, it's really pretty good, honestly. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Most of that stuff you can find on eBay. Sorry about the mess here. But yeah, like I said, these even turned out really good too. I'm going to be doing this back panel piece here. I do have this piece coming up right here. It sits where the license plate does. You see, it'll go through here. And I'm going to put that on. That's supposed to be here Friday. So I'll do a separate video of that one. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. This is my 2018 Mustang GT. Done pretty much all carbon fiber on it. So, alright, thanks guys for watching. Please subscribe.